In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a torque wrench. As you can see, I got 4 different torque wrench that all have the same purpose. The purpose of a torque wrench is so that you can only apply a certain amount of turning force on a nut or bolt. The only reason I have different torque wrench is the measurement and the leverage that the wrench offers. And this smaller torque wrench over here measure in inch-pound, and these other 3 measure in foot-pound. Next, I'm going to show you how to set the measurement on your torque wrench. The first wrench I'm going to show you is the inch-pound one. When you look at it, you'll see measurement in torque inch right here. On the other side is a different measurement. I don't usually use it. The lowest this inch-pound torque wrench will go to is 20 inch-pound. And as you turn to the right, you'll increase the amount of inch-pound you put. Turn to the left, you'll decrease. When you look at the knob, you can see some numbers as you turn. You can see a 0, a 5, a 10, and back to 0. This will mean 15 inch-pound have been added in half a rotation. On the back of the wrench, you'll see this knob. You could turn left, turn right. Purpose of this knob is so once your number is set and you turn this knob, it'll lock in that number so this cannot turn. And first, we're going to set it to 20 inch-pound. I'm going to turn this until it hit that line right there with the 0. Right there is 20 inch-pound. With the number set in, I'm going to lock it in. And now you're good to go. Next, I'm going to show you the 3 wrench that measure in foot-pound. For the first torque wrench, this will only measure 5 foot-pound, all the way to 80 foot-pound. This torque wrench only measure from 10 foot-pound all the way to 150 foot-pound. This bigger torque wrench, it measure from 50 foot-pound to 300 foot-pound. To set the measurement on these 3 foot-pound wrench is the same thing as the inch foot-pound one. I'm going to use my foot-pound torque wrench, the big one, so you guys could see the number a lot easier. When you look at the number, you can see 0 right here, and as you turn it halfway, it go back to 0. So 1/2 rotation will give you 25 increasement in foot-pound. Same will apply if you turn it the other direction. It will decrease it by 25 foot-pound. And you look right here, you can see it, there's 50 at that line, and 75 at that line, 100, 125, 150. It's going to go all the way to 300 foot-pound. For this torque wrench, I'm going to set it to 148 torque. And what I like to do is I'm going to set this to 50. Right there, when the 0 hit that line right there, that is 50 foot-pound. And if I rotate this counterclockwise half a turn, it should be at 75. Another half turn, it should be at 100, which is right there. One more turn, it'll be 125. And remember, I need to set it to 148 foot-pound. I'm going to turn this to that 5. It's 130. And it'll be 135. Now that these two lines line up. 140. 145. 146. 147. 148. And that's where I need. Lock it in. And I'm ready to torque down my axle nut. The nut I'm going to show you is right here. This is the axle nut. You will hear that click, and you will also feel it too. Click that like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe for future updates. And again, thanks for watching.